So you want to learn how to animate a circle? Then more. In this video, I'm going to show you how to do it. Let's go! Now right here, right, I just have a basic circle animation. To make it into a special circle, this is what you do. Since this is our original, we don't want to touch it. Then rename this, rename your project, your canvas, Procreate simple circle. Now what you want to do is duplicate this canvas right here. So when do more, okay? Don't do to the original, do to the duplicate, okay? So you duplicate it, boom. Easy. Now rename this one. Rename the one we just duplicate to circle. How about we say chicken? Okay, we're gonna do more advanced stuff. We're gonna put a chicken, a rooster, chicken, whatever you have. Go on, okay? So I want to make this kind of spinning head, dizziness, okay? That kind of thing, okay? So right now we just have a simple circle like that, right? Nothing fancy. To get a chicken into that, we can draw it. Okay, let's go to our original one. Okay, we can get from here, we can get a new layer in. Boom, new layer. Now you can put anything in here, okay? Anything. You can add more in if you want to. Okay? But for me, personally, because I'll do this tutorial for you guys, I want the idea is to make a dizzy head kind of thing, right? We have a circle, now it's the dizzy head. Like that, okay? So go to our text, add text, add text, okay? Go to this look for a funny face. Okay, so you want free graphics, this is what you do it, okay? Okay, you have the fairies you can use here. But we want the chicken, right? We want the chicken. Where is it? There you go, the flying chicken, there you go. This one will do me. Okay, now we can color the chicken to whatever we want. I think yellow is fine for me, that will do me. I don't have to do anything, okay? We'll do it. Keep it simple for this tutorial for you guys. Okay, so I move it around. Right now the chicken, move it around to whatever position you want. The chicken now follow. Okay, what I try to do, the chicken is follow the circles. Okay, like that. That's the chicken. Probably move down a little bit more. Okay, boom. Then you want to go to layer. You want to duplicate the first layer. Duplicate it. Then move it to number 3. Okay, and move it to whatever you want. Okay. Then with this, use the crop tool, increase the size. So we do an animation. Okay, so small chicken, big chicken, small chicken, big chicken, and spin around. Okay, that's the idea. Anyway, that's my idea anyway. And you can rotate it, okay? Rotate the chicken around so make it's not all the same. Okay. So spinning, whatever you want, okay? So that's the idea, it's going circle around like that. Okay. Okay, duplicate it, move to number 4. Okay. Now our chicken is sideways and getting smaller. Okay, you get the idea, right? Continue what you have to do. Just follow that path. Rotate the chicken around. Okay, make it bigger, make it smaller. Depends on you. Okay, then I'll come back to you guys. Okay. Welcome back. Okay. Now I went in and copy the chicken around, and I delete some of the layers that we made before because we did a duplicate of the original circles. So let's play. Because I delete some, that's why it's so fast. Okay, let's change the setting to 6 frames or 5 frames so we know what we play with. Spin around, yep, beautiful. Okay, that's our animation. But right now it's only 6 frames per second. Now we have to duplicate everything again. Okay, so let me delete some of this stuff. Delete. And leave the original, the blank screen. Now start duplicate twice. I like to duplicate twice. So when you do this, a lot of deleting and duplicating, but that's alright. Yeah, it's not like we drawing anything. We can, okay, we can do more advanced stuff, but I'm just showing you guys the basics. Okay? The basics of animation. Learn this stuff, and you want to do more like complex stuff, you can. I'm not stopping you guys from doing that. Okay? So I'm just showing you my way of doing it, the easiest way to get the story across. This is what I want. I want a spinning head, dizziness kind of thing. That's what I wanted to create. I can draw the chicken, make the feathers flying around and all that stuff, but that takes more time. If I want to be more, have time playing around with it, I can. Okay, that is when I have my free time, and that's when you do let your imagination goes wild. Okay? The possibilities are endless with this technique right here that I'm showing you guys. But the thing is, it's a fun way to integrate into our video, okay? Because we make a green screen right here, right? So we can overlay this to our editing software, which is LumaFusion. My editing software, I mean. Hopefully it could be your editing software as well. Why wouldn't you? You have the iPad ready, right? When you have the iPad, the two must-have program is what? Procreate and LumaFusion, okay? For me personally, okay? That's what I have. First two programs that I install. 22, nearly there. Okay, so I'll just duplicate that, make it more longer. So that's roughly 2 seconds, okay? That's done. Let's play. Change the setting to 24 frame. Now it's roughly 3 seconds. Now with this, right, we can, I think the last one, I need to add more frame. Okay, let me pause. Where is it? This frame right here, I need to add more frame, okay? So to add more frame, just duplicate right on the animation thing here. So you can add for how many seconds, duration, duplicate. So I duplicate 7 copies, okay, 7 more frames. So I have 10 seconds, okay, let's play. Okay. So, boom, right in your face.
Bravo!
Boom. Okay, that's how you do the animation. Okay, this one is just a quick one. Now you can export out to LumaFusion or export this out as a GIF. You can do that. If you would like to learn more about how I do my green screen in LumaFusion, check out this video right here. I'll show you how. I'll see you next time with another tutorial. Okay, play around with it and leave me a comment down below. Love ya. Bye.